For this video log, I read chapter 27, Writing About Reading, moving from talk to written conversation about text. This chapter was just talking about the importance of communication, specifically writing in the classroom and using that as a form of communication. One quote that I picked out was, "All human communication is powerful. Communication by the way of written language is even more powerful." This was the beginning of the chapter, and it was just really emphasizing the importance of this chapter, talking about communication and how it is a powerful tool for us to use to express our feelings, to express thoughts. And basically, Fountas and Pinnell were just saying that written language is an even more powerful tool of communication that we can use. So it is very important that we teach children how to use writing in appropriate ways. Something that I picked up was improving students' letter writing with 6 goals in mind. It was a little chart that I saw and read about, and along the side of the chart, it also included practical strategies to incorporate these into the classroom. And so the 6 were ensuring opportunities of reading or listening to great fiction and nonfiction books, so really incorporating a variety of books, ensuring numerous opportunities for text talk, providing regular explicit thinking, talking and writing about text, so really getting children engaged in those, providing regular modeling of writing about reading in a variety of genres, providing regular feedback on writing about reading, and providing specific opportunities for students to engage in focused or prompted talk and writing. So basically, to sum these up, there's strategies that go along with incorporating these practically, but basically it's really getting students to engage with writing through their texts, providing feedback for them so they are able to see, this isn't how this should flow, and just providing that information for their students to help them grow in their writing. And a question I have is, what are some creative ways to share student writings with family members? I know there's apps where we can share with family members, but are there specific or more creative ways of sharing specific writings that kids have done in class?